Hey guys, this is just a rough sketch of a Pikachu, but I'm going to be adding bits to it. Anyways, this is my how-to guide to how I got to this uh, position of a Pikachu. I just want like grass and that tied the feet 'cause I'm not very good at feet or paws, but like I said, I'm gonna add to it. So anyway, here's how I got up to this part. Let's just pull that one out and start again. Save that one for later. So I'll start again, yeah? So first of all, you want to add a little circle, however big you want the head. You want to have yourself a pencil with a rubber on the end because you're going to have to rub up the lines of where your guidelines. And then we'll go across, down, across again, back up. Nope, almost missed that line up. Little ovals. So it's like the guidelines for the feet and the hands. I tend to not make them too big because otherwise you can have like too big or too small. Yeah, it looks about right. And from there, you want to add the ears. Try to go OTT with the ears. I'm going to put this one in the head a little bit, so I'm going to, go back there. And come down a little bit. So I'm going to rub out them lines there. And you want to draw the eyes. Now put the cheek in there actually. And then you want to, put the other eye. Yeah, I'm going to cancel that line out there. Like I said, this is just a rough sketch to like get to where I was in the other one, that other one was quite edited. Like, quite a few attempts on it, but anyways. So there you got your basic form, and then you're just gonna follow the lines round to make the body to each part here. Well, yeah, you can cross out the lines as you're doing it, but I like to do the end result first, and do the lines from there. Oh, made his foot a little bit big there. Cross that line out a little bit. Try and make the body a bit rounded. So I'm going to edit that line there. I think I made the head a bit too. Come across a bit more. So don't worry if you get this wrong, because I got it wrong quite a few times, to be fair. Like, it took me quite a few attempts. I won't show you my bin, but it's quite full of thrown away bags and that. Oh yeah, yes, this way. Don't forget you need a guideline for the tail as well. You want to put the tail anywhere around here, because on the left arm. That's what I find easier, anyways. So zigzag. Messed up on that. I was going to put it behind the arm. Put it behind the arm. There we go. That's like a guideline. And then you want to move on to the paws. Pikachu's got like little paws there. Trying to make them into claws though. Like I said, you're going to have to go over some of the lines. Don't worry if you get it wrong, it took me a few attempts too. And for the feet, it's just like little lines to indicate where his toes are. There we go. As you go, you can like rub off some of the lines here. I'm going to go over this one in the pen at some point. It's sort of getting there. And you want to rub off the lines on the feet. Rub off the ear. Oh. Ear lines there. There you go. Little circle here. Oh, I'm going to rub off the cheek a little bit. Bring that in just a wee tad. Colour that in. Colour that in. Mouse there. There we go. I think I made this one a bit smaller than. Yeah, just a little bit smaller. And you want to cross that man's ears. And guide with the tail. I think I messed up on the tail a little bit. Oh, yeah. And just colour it in. Go back and edit it afterwards. Get rid of them lines there. These lines here too. Pull it around. Ah, it's a little chunky. And there you have it. I think I made them a bit too small, that's where I messed up. But there's my guide for how to do Pikachu. And then, obviously you don't like it, you just keep rubbing off the lines, and then eventually you can edit it to how you like it. I hope you liked the video, and I shall catch you in the next one. Might do another Pokemon. Don't know. What do you guys think? I think it turned out alright, to be fair, but just need to colour it. I might try to do his cousin Raichu.